Welcome back to Treasure Mania! Today we're doing spray paint. We love spray paint. So we're gonna do aliens with planets. We're gonna need some help opening it, Grandma.
You're good.
Just light so you can see where your circle is. You're doing it? Okay. I just want you to keep it there. Keep going.
You forgot? You gotta lift it and then color in the colors.
Yeah, you gotta lift the planets and color in the color. You want this color?
Yeah. I wanted to do it at first.
Alright. Shake. Come on. That's good. Do this right up on the side. There you go.
Okay, ask me. You gotta move them.
Okay, do other colors,
I want
Wilder.
to cover the whole page.
No.
Just do one planet at a time. What color?
Then do light blue.
Here, just so we only do one at a time. Let's do this one.
Yeah.
We have a tripod.
This one?
Yeah, back up a bit.
I just feel like I gotta go down.
Cha on it? No? Gotta do it before it gets dry.
That's good.
I'm gonna make two the same.
All right, you gotta do them fast because you don't want them to dry.
All
Remember?
right, get your newspaper.
Pick your color.
Get your newspaper.
Is there any purple?
Yeah, right there.
I just had the purple.
Okay, here. Let's go. Come on. Wilder.
I thought I did pink. Instead I didn't.
No, we're gonna do it like this. Here you go. Put it on. How do you do that? And now what do you do? Fingernails. Fingernails. Do that. Fingernails.
Swipe.
It's lined up. Here.
Oh my!
Look at that. Wow.
Gotta go fast. Only the colors.
Okay, but you gotta go back.
Alright, so on your planet right now. Okay.
So shiny right there.
Hey,
Okay. What other color?
Someone get that newspaper.
Shisha.
Watch your clothes.
These are your old clothes. Dab, dab, dab.
Don't glue it up.
What? Swipe.
Swipe.
Touch.
Shisha.
Dab, dab, dab.
Dab. Yeah. Dab. Here.
and don't
There.
worry.
And there.
Dab.
Yeah. Here. Take that. In one of these.
After you get done. Good. Which one?
I'm gonna need a little bit. I need it though.
I think you should try yellow on that one. Oh, look at that color.
That's good. That's liquidy.
Okay, that's good, husband.
How's it liquidy?
Okay, pick out another
Because you
one.
put so much, it's a
All
puddle.
right, get some newspaper. Get one more color.
Do this one, Wilder. This one's a pretty color.
I
That one.
needed
You get,
that.
do around the edge of it.
Ah.
All
Wow.
the way around.
Nope, careful.
Oh,
Higher. Does it makes a puddle? Up high. Oh.
Now let's try that again. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Shisha.
Ah.
Ready? Look there! Oh my God! Look at how beautiful!
What are we doing next, Aspen?
I
Wow,
forgot
that's a
to
cool
say
looking
the
planet.
planet.
Huh?
I forgot to say
That's gonna
the
be
sweet
what, a moon?
planets.
No, we can cover them.
All right. Are you gonna cover them up now?
Yeah, I think this is
All right. You gotta move fast because some of these are
All right,
thick and it'll
go.
hold your.
No, it's black. No, I
It's yellow.
You use some other ones over there.
No, I didn't. It's too bitsy. And this
Oh.
not orange.
It's
All right.
like cheese. They say it's like cheese. Cheese is orange. There you go.
It's not cheese.
Oh, yeah, I guess we overdid it with the cheese, huh?
A little bit of this color. Nobody's used this color yet.
Oh, sure. It's purple.
Yeah.
You need that off?
On that orange.
No, paper is running away.
Oh, that's okay.
It's okay. We'll grab up the paper in a minute. Yeah, good distance, Aspen.
Oops, that's not enough. Oops, that's not enough. Here, this one's enough. Okay, dab down.
Ooh, that's pretty, Wilder. That's cool.
Okay, let's put that can down on the moon, right over the moon.
I'm covering the whole
We're gonna go on
thing.
Kids Getting Empty.
Like, I can put it like this.
Wow.
done?
I love it. Let's reveal. Wow.
All right. Are you done? You want any splatters or anything?
Oh my. Oh my.
White!
Wow.
White!
Wilder.
White!
That's awesome.
Oh, I know how.
Love it.
Beautiful. Which one's your favorite? Which planet?
Oh,
I did earlier
I like that answer.
something else.
Now poop out some stars.
You're getting it on you.
Yep.
Yep.
This is what he did.
Yep.
Make perfect stars.
Wow. Aspen, you want to know what else you can do to the star? I'm going to just show you right here. I'm not going to do it on your paper. But with the dots, you can take this and drag them. Make some stars. Like
Oh, I'll bet you Breeze does that with face painting, doesn't she?
or if you can take the
Find
pen.
Find a big dot.
There you go, right there.
There you go. So just add a little comment. That's good.
Ooh. Okay, pull your planets up so we can see what your planets look like. Wow.
Wow.
Heavy.
Shisha.
Ooh, that one's
Sick.
pretty.
Like
Nice.
trouble. Trouble. Trouble.
That's awesome, Aspen. What do you think? Aspen, what do you think?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.